Hey guys, I wanted to make a video about ticking noise I was having from the motor. I had changed all of my fluids after about 3,500 miles as part of the break-in, and I decided to put in Mobil 1 synthetic 0 20. So I took it in and I changed it, and it was a lot of ticking noises coming from the motor. So I took it to the dealer and I stated, customer, there's a slight ticking noise since the oil change was performed. It was coming from this area here, and they said it was normal valve train noise, but it was kind of a random tick. It was fairly loud. It just got to be annoying, especially if you had your windows down. So they said it was normal. I decided to dump the Mobil 1 and put back in the Toyota motor oil synthetic. It's about $7 a quart, so I think it was around $65 with tax, or $55, somewhere around there, for the 8 quarts. So that pretty much took care of the ticking noise, and if you guys are having a problem with ticking, you might want to give that a shot.